A lot of people have been calling us here looking for projects for kids, so we've been brainstorming, trying to come up with a few ideas, and we'll try to post a few. So the one we came up with this morning is for kids anywhere from about age 2 or 3 to 90. It's planting seeds. So we're doing up a little kit here. You may have all of this stuff at home now. You might not need any of it, but if you do need it, we can do up a kit and have it catered to your needs for you. So first of all, you're going to need some little cell packs, like so, to plant your seed in. So luckily, we have everything at our fingertips, and we don't care if we make a mess. So I'm going to fill this up with soil. So it looks like this. The little kit that we would have for you, we have all the cells in it. Now then, if it's a young child, you want fairly big seeds. So I would pick something like nasturtiums. They're a nice big seed. They're easy to handle. They're a flower seed. For somebody a little older, maybe calendulas. Those seeds are a little bigger or a little smaller, but manageable. And if you've got really dexterous fingers, go for something like pansies or Johnny Jump Ups. They're a very tiny seed. We've done a selection here that would grow well for you now, indoors or out. All of the flowers we've chosen are edible, so your kids can eat the flowers. Won't hurt them, and it's kind of a little novelty. And we've picked a couple of vegetables. So I'm going to choose nasturtiums because they're a nice big seed. Take your seeds out, take one seed, press it into the top of your soil, push down and lightly cover. Another one, push down, lightly cover. Put one in each cell. When you're finished, you're going to want to water your plants. We bottom water, but if you get this tray, there is a tray in there so that you can soak your flat in there. It soaks the water up from the bottom, which is where you want it because you want your roots to reach down for the water at the bottom, so they'll be nice and sturdy roots. If you water on the top, lots of times you get roots right along the top of your soil and they don't go down deep. If you're planting nasturtiums, this is what they're going to look like when they come up. When they get too big and the roots are swirling around the inside of your little cell, you're going to need to repot it in a pot about this big until you can put it outside. So in this kit that we have available for you right now, we have the sterilized soil you need, the cells, a package of seed, labels, of course, because you will not remember what you've planted in there, and we write on them with pencil because pencil doesn't fade, and some fish fertilizer. We're promoting this fish fertilizer because it's made in Twillingate, Newfoundland, and we're doing everything we can right now to support local. So kids age 2 to 90, go for it.